Hello guys, I've got another video here for you. In this one we will take a look at different ways on how you can rename your computer or PC in Windows operating system. When you first install Windows 10 or Windows 11, Microsoft will assign a random computer name to that installation that you have just done. Now, if you want to rename this to something else more memorable for you, you can do that, and I will show you a few ways in this video on how you can achieve that. The first method to rename your computer or laptop is by using the Windows settings. For that, we will go down to the Start button here, and we are gonna click on Windows settings. Make sure you are in the System menu and then scroll down all the way to the bottom to About. Click on that. Once you get inside here, on the top right hand side, click on Rename this PC. You can see the current name of your PC. Type in your favorite name and then click Next, and it will change the current name. Now let's move on to the second method of doing it. Go to Settings app again, click on About down here. Next to the related links, click on Domain or Work Group, and from here you will see computer name. In this box you can set your computer's descriptions, whether it will be in the kitchen or in the network, and you can see the full computer name is here. And to change that, you want to click on Change button, and this will allow you to change the computer's name, whether it's on the domain or whatever it is. You want to change it from here. You can see here it's got desktop and some letters and numbers, which was given during the installation process. So you can change it from here as well. That is the second method. And for the third method to rename your computer is by using the Powershell command. You can get to the Powershell by right clicking on the Start button here and go to Windows Terminal Admin. I'm gonna open this app. Now we can type in our command to change our computer's name, and this is pretty straightforward. You can just type in this command, rename, then dash computer space dash new name, and then in quotation mark admin tech. This is the name I'm gonna give it to my computer. After that, hit enter. Here it says warning, the change will take effect after you restart your computer. So once we restart the computer, it will change to the new name. Now let's go to the very last method of changing the name of your PC or computer on Windows. For the last one, we will use the command prompt. Go to the search box and type in CMD, and then run this as administrator. Now type in this command with capital letter WMIC space computer system, and then space where space caption equal to, in quotation mark, we're gonna change this name now, in quotation mark, the current name, which is admin tech, and in space rename, in space new name. I'm gonna give it as admin tech 2, then quotation mark. After that, hit enter, and this will change the name. So in this video I basically showed you 4 ways on how you can change your computer's name. Once you restart your computer, the changes will take effect. My name is Zia Maliki from Information Technology. I hope this video was helpful. That's all from us. Bye for now. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification to be notified when we upload new videos. Till next video, it's goodbye.